It was fall of 2015 when our stranding coordinator, Jim Rice, got a phone call about a dead blue whale that had washed ashore just north of Gold Beach. And what he found was a lot of evidence of blunt force trauma. He also found that the whale was somewhat emaciated. And finally, there were traces of domoic acid, which is the result of harmful algal blooms that can be toxic. So putting the pieces together, it seems that the animal may have been weakened or sickened by the toxin, had trouble feeding, and then maybe had been hit by a ship. His vision was to salvage the bones of this blue whale and reconstruct the skeleton. It will be available to just inspire awe by anyone who wishes to visit Hatfield Marine Science Center and take a look at it.